I'm going to take this laser printer apart completely to show you everything that could go wrong. All laser printers are the same, but this is a color laser. It's a Lexmark. It's an all-in-one. It's got a scanner. Here you see the USB port, fax line connection, and the power. Now your laser printer could jam. We're looking at the paper tray. On the side here, we've got toner cartridges. A number of places where you can have a jam. There's a paper tray. Down here we see the pickup rollers. These get worn out often and need to be changed. The tray itself, some trays have rubber at the side that also gets worn out. And here we have the fuser. The fuser wears out after a few 100,000 pages. We can also see jams here inside the fuser, and jams in the output tray, and jams in the output tray. We also see jams in the documents feeder. So if we take the front cover off, on the right side at the front, here's a sensor which determines whether the front cover is on, whether the front cover is open or closed. This sensor, if it malfunctions, the printer will refuse to print. It will assume that the cover is open. The cover itself has a gear assembly for taking paper from the trays. In general, this part lasts a lifetime of the printer. It seems to be belt driven. These gears generally don't wear out though, but if they do, can be replaced. Now if we take the side cover off, there's another screw holding it. You'll see motors that drive the different gears. So these motors are mounted in a place where they can be replaced because motors do wear out. There's also a fan at the back. Going to the right side, we can access the toner cartridges. And again, these are user replaceable. Here is the fuser motor. It does not rotate, but the fuser motor drives the fuser. This is also likely to wear out after a while. Not every printer has one, but this one does. It's a toner. It's a waste toner bottle, and it fills up and then needs to be discarded. And then we have the imaging kit, which is very expensive, but it's replaceable as one part. I'm going to look at this in a minute. Inside the kit are the developer units, which create the image. Paper passes through each color separately, creating the final document. But each developer unit takes toner, and the toner hits the imaging drums, which are the blue drums underneath. As you can see, with the developer units removed, we have these blue drums which are electrically charged. The toner only coats the drum in the area that is going to have an image. Now, if you get toner on your hands, it's not a big deal. Unless it looks like you punched a clown in the face. All you have to do is wipe the toner off. And generally speaking, if you get a problem with this unit, you have to buy a new one for a few $100. And don't make a mess. If you do, it comes off easily. Just don't get any water on you. Now the back cover comes off easily, exposing the system board. In this case, the fax machine is a separate board that just comes out. As you can see. If you have a problem with the system board, you'll have to replace the entire board, which means disconnecting all of the cables. Be careful, some of the connectors are not as sturdy as they should be. For some reason, Lexmark printers have a lot of magnets covering their cables. Also, there's a it's easy to replace the roller inside the document feeder, because this wears out after a while, and the separation pad.